Okay, so here are the parameters. Okay, so we have number insured is 100, claim probability, severity mean, severity standard deviation, and administrative cost is 10%. Okay, so let's, these are the inputs. Okay, and let's do some border here. And so that's one process, right? So let's, and then this is another process. So one is for frequency, the other is for severity of claim. Okay, so now we're going to have 100 drivers. So we're going to do fill series. We started out with 1 and 2, and we want to stop at 100. Okay, so we have 100 drivers. Okay, so now we want to simulate two things, right? Is this driver going to make a claim in that 1 year period? So that's going to be a Bernoulli process with the probability given by that cell. So risk Bernoulli, right? That's going to be the cell. So that press F4, make it. Okay, the possible amount is going to be log normal distribution with that mean and that as the standard deviation. So you say risk log norm. Okay, that, and we need to make that absolute reference, and then the standard deviation, that also must be absolute reference. Okay, so now we have claim or not. So this is actually going to be 0 or 1, and you can check that by looking at the distribution. See, 0 with 99 or 93 point whatever percent, and then 1 claim will be made is about 6%. So this is going to be 0 or 1. So if you multiply these two cells, then this will be 0 if claim is not made, which is what we want, or if it is 1, then that amount will be displayed here. So now we'll copy this for all the 100. All right. Okay. So now we'll set up some summary statistics. So total claims dollars is sum of that. Okay. Now administrative cost is total claims multiplied by 10%. Now the sum of these two is what we need to recoup from our insured. So let's take that and divide by the number of customers, and that's the average that we have to charge every customer. Then we will get that amount and we'll be fine. Okay. But that's only if the claims are average, on average every, but what if it is on the higher side, if you're the 99th percentile? So if the costs were in the 99th percentile, then what happens? Okay, so we have risk percentile of that, comma 0.99. So what is the average claim at the 99th percentile? Okay, so let's get rid of the decimal places and put a border around it. And now let's check our settings. Multiple simulation, multiple CPU, okay. Sampling is okay. Okay, 10,000. Simulate. Okay. So we have at the 99th percentile, the total cost plus 10% will be 567. So, but the 100 number of customers is not really very realistic. So what do we do about that? So we'll look at that next video.